everybody. My name is Dr. Chaitasi Shah. I'm a consultant gynecologist at EpicHospital. On the occasion of International Women's Health Day, I wish you all a very happy Women's Day. The topic that I'm talking about right now would be infertility. As we all know, how common infertility is these days. We say that any couple trying to have a baby and cannot conceive for a period of more than a year then is considered to be infertile and hence should seek treatment for the same. Girls, the fertility for you is better as you are younger. As you become older, every year the fertility decreases. Hence, if anybody would ask me, earlier conception is always better than a late conception. Conception below the age of 30 would be the best. Between 30 to 35 would be pretty decent. But after the age of 35, the chances of fertility significantly reduce. And hence, if you are having a problem conceiving, please consult a gynecologist and start getting treated for the same. We also say that AMH plays a very important role in fertility. We unfortunately have been seeing extremely low AMH even in girls who are below the age of 35. This is post-COVID. Unfortunately, why? We have no idea. But please, if you are wanting to get pregnant and if you cannot, please consult a gynecologist, get investigated for the same and then start treating. Thank you so much.